Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into one of the best pet care products available on the market, Virbac C.E.T. Enzymatic Toothpaste. If you're a pet parent who truly wants to step up your dog or cat's dental hygiene, this is a product you'll want to stick around and learn about. This toothpaste is specially formulated for both dogs and cats, using an advanced enzyme system to actively reduce plaque, eliminate tartar buildup, and most importantly, freshen your pet's breath. Now, if you've ever gotten a whiff of your pet's morning breath, you know exactly why that last point matters. The flavor is poultry, and no, it's not for you, it's for your furry friend. That's right, Virbac knows that dental hygiene works best when your pet actually enjoys it. The poultry flavor is a major win in that department, making daily brushing much easier for pet owners who've struggled in the past. One of the major highlights of this toothpaste is that it's 100% safe for pets to swallow. That's because the formula is completely free from foaming agents, which are common in human toothpaste but can be harmful to pets. Instead, Virbac uses a no-foam, enzymatic blend that breaks down plaque while staying gentle on your pet's stomach. Veterinarians recommend this brand more than any other when it comes to home dental care for pets, and that's not just talk. The Virbac C.E.T. line has been trusted by professionals for over 30 years. Made in the USA, the quality and consistency of the product have built it a strong reputation in veterinary circles. Application is simple. You'll want to use a soft bristled toothbrush like the C.E.T. dual-ended toothbrush that Virbac offers. Just apply a small amount of the toothpaste to the brush and gently work your way across your pet's teeth. Ideally, this should be done daily or as directed by your veterinarian. Because the toothpaste is safe to swallow, there's no need to rinse, and the poultry taste actually leaves your pet feeling like they've just had a treat. Now let's talk about what makes the enzymatic system so effective. The C.E.T. dual enzyme system is specifically engineered to inhibit the formation of plaque. This means it not only helps remove what's already there, but also plays a preventative role in keeping your pet's mouth healthier for longer. It's not just a cleaning product, it's a proactive dental solution. Whether you've got a small dog, a big cat, or a whole furry family, this product is versatile and suitable for pets of all life stages. So if you're looking for a veterinary-grade, pet-approved, and easy-to-use dental solution, Virbac C.E.T. Enzymatic Toothpaste really checks every box. It's effective, safe, and even enjoyable for your pet, which means it's more likely to become a regular part of your routine. And that's a win for everyone. Thanks for watching this edition of Product Critique. If you've used Virbac before or plan to give it a try, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a breakdown of the best products for you and your pets. See you in the next one.